Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit halo blur effect and fragment clone effect in Capcut. So you can start by adding the clips that you want to edit into Capcut, and then you can add the first effect, the halo blur. So go to effects and then video effects. Go to the opening and closing category, then add the halo blur effect. Click on the check icon and adjust it how you like it. So I'm going to just go from here. Then for the fragment clone, I'm going to add here. Okay, so let's go back and go to the video effects again. And for the fragment clone, just find the clone category under the body effects, clone, then find fragment clone, this one. Okay, click on the check icon and adjust it how you like it, and will be the final result. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.